Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Nissan Juke trunk. First, walk to the rear of your vehicle. You'll find a small, discreet button located just above the license plate, often integrated into the Nissan emblem or a trim piece. Simply press this button firmly. You should hear a click as the latch releases. Then, gently lift the tailgate upwards to fully open the trunk. It's a straightforward process for everyday access. Sometimes, you might prefer to open the trunk remotely or from inside the car. Your Nissan Juke's key fob has a specific button, usually marked with a trunk icon, that you can press and hold for a few seconds to pop the trunk. Additionally, some models feature an interior release lever, often near the driver's seat or on the dashboard. A quick pull of this lever will also unlatch the trunk for you. In an emergency, or if your electronic systems aren't working, you can still access the trunk manually. Fold down your rear seats to create an opening into the cargo area. Once inside, look for a small, often glow-in-the-dark, emergency release lever or handle on the inside of the trunk lid. Pull this lever firmly and the trunk will unlatch, allowing you to open it from the outside. If your trunk isn't opening, don't worry. First, check for any items that might be physically blocking the latch or the lid's movement. Sometimes, a low car battery can affect electronic functions, so ensure your battery is charged. If issues persist, your Nissan Juke's owner's manual is an excellent resource, providing detailed diagrams and specific troubleshooting steps for your particular model. Happy Juking!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.